Hey guys, so today's video is really sad. I can't believe I have to make this video. I can't believe the time has come. It's crazy. I'm honestly in shock. And I was blindsided. I've been in this relationship for 8 years and 7 months. That's a long time. We're breaking up. It wasn't me, it was them. Guys, BoxyCharm is breaking up with me. Did I fool you guys? Did I have you guys scared for a second when you guys like, oh my gosh, are Vanessa and her husband breaking up? Like what? What's going on? BoxyCharm is breaking up with me. BoxyCharm is breaking up with all of their ambassadors. Okay, I don't know the full details. I don't want to know the full details. I've literally been in a relationship with BoxyCharm for 8 years and 7 months. That's how long I've been a BoxyCharm ambassador, and that's a long ass time. We got an email, all the ambassadors got an email like a couple weeks ago saying that this was going to be our last month because they're partnering with Ipsy now. Oh my gosh. I'm honestly sad because these boxes are amazing. Hopefully they'll be even more amazing now that they're partnering with Ipsy. I'm going to show you guys my final box for March of 2023. This is so sad. They sent us the Luxe box this month. Here's the box for this month. The first thing in the box is from Fenty. This is Fenty Skin. This is the pre-show glow instant retexturizing 10% AHA treatment and because I'm so distraught I can't even talk. Reusable applicator. This retails for $40. It says, have a minute, glow big with no downtime. This 10% AHA alpha hydroxy acid treatment clarifies, purifies, and smooths skin by gently clearing out dull cells on the surface and going deep into the pores to smooth, refine, brighten, and even texture over time. I actually have a Fenty lip gloss on my lips right now. It is my favorite from Fenty. It's in the color Fussy. It is so pretty. I love it. Next thing in the box is from Verb. Ooh, guys, I love Verb. The Verb Ghost Oil. I have the dry Ghost Oil and I have the regular oil. I love their hairspray. I love the shampoo and conditioner. The Ghost line. I have not tried any other line from Verb, but the Ghost line is amazing. What is this though? This is... this is the Moringa and Jojoba Treatment Oil, a hydrating multi-use serum. Reduce breakage, fight dry scalp, and repair damaged hair. Silicone-free, fragrance-free, and 100% natural. This pure blend is proven to reduce breakage by 73% and mend split ends by 64% while sealing in essential moisture. This retails for $20. I'm excited to try this because my hair, like guys, look at all this breakage I have. Oh my gosh, it's so bad. Yeah, my hair is in rough shape right now. I really want to go back to my purple color that I had, but I have to wait a few months. I have to like repair the damage. I'm excited to try this because I do need some repair done to my hair for sure. Uoma, I don't know how to say this brand. This is a Salute to the Sun Drama Bomb Mascara. Retails for $19.50. This bestseller is now dripping in gold. The unique hourglass shaped wand grabs and lifts each lash, delivering extreme volume while the nourishing formula moisturizes and promotes lash growth. And there it is. I will probably do a Mascara Monday episode on this. I'm kind of slacking. I've got a bunch of Mascara Monday episodes that I need to do. I want to see this wand. Why can't I open it? Okay, there we go. There's the wand. I'm excited to try this. I've never heard of this brand before. Have you guys heard of it? Uoma? It's U-O-M-A. Uoma. I don't know how to pronounce it. This, it's falling apart. Lys Beauty. Lys, L-Y-S Beauty. This is a complexion brush duo. Retails for $30. So this is a sculpting brush or like a bronzing brush. I'm going to take this off. I'm probably going to keep these. Ooh, that is so soft. And then, ooh, this one is a foundation brush. I have been using a beauty blender for the past like few months, but I will try this. These are so soft. These are cute. I will try them. Yay, more brushes. All right, we got a palette. There's actually 2 palettes. This is Iconic London Multi-Use Lip and Cheek Palette. This retails for $55. Create a fresh-faced pretty flush. That's hard to say. Fresh-faced pretty flush and a pop of pout enhancing color, featuring 6 multi-use dewy cream shades. This easy-to-use palette provides instant pick-me-up to the complexion. That was stressful. Lip and cheeks. I don't like to do a whole lot to my cheeks, so I'll probably, honestly, I might give this away, although those would be pretty lip colors, but I'm probably going to give this away. This is Kat Von D Tattoo Pencil Liner. This retails for $22. Ultra smooth transfer resistant gel pencil eyeliner. Waterproof all day. Kat Von D. This is in the color. Oh, it's brown. Yeah, it's brown. It's okay. We'll work with it. This is from Truly Beauty, not Truly the beverage company. This is the Cocoa Rose Fudge Jumbo. This retails for $35. Immerse yourself in luxurious hydration and delicate aromas of feminine florals using the ultra nourishing body butter made with a blend of coconut and rose. Nourishing butter will brighten and hydrate dull skin to give it a glowing, youthful appearance. Oh, this looks fun. Let's smell it. Whipped body butter. Oh, that smells like roses. All right, I'm excited for this little card thing. Oh, okay, I'll read you guys more. They put a little card in here, like with more details. Last thing is an eyeshadow palette from Pat McGrath. This retails for $38. This is the Celestial, why can't I say that word? Nirvana eyeshadow palette. Infinite artistry awaits. This limited edition curated quintet of infinitely versatile hues features 3 finishes. Pretty. These colors are going to be gorgeous. I just know it. Oh my gosh. So pretty. Okay, my thoughts on this final box. It's amazing. I love pretty much everything in here. I am probably going to give this away to someone just because I'm not, like, I don't use blush and I have a lot of lip colors. So I'm probably going to give this away in a Whatnot live show coming soon. So if you're interested in winning this, check out my Whatnot shows. So let's read this card. It says, great on our own, gorgeous together. Meet beauty's new dream team. The battle of the world's most beloved beauty subscriptions is over. Okay, just being real honest, BoxyCharm won that battle a long time ago. I have received many, many Ipsy bags, some for free and some that I've purchased, and BoxyCharm just blows Ipsy out of the water. But okay. We're bringing the best of both brands together to create the Ultimate Beauty membership with more perks for you than ever before. It's a match made in makeup heaven. If you're already a member, you're going to get an email with more information. If you want to learn more information, if you're not a member, I will link BoxyCharm down below. BoxyCharm Ipsy website down below. But yeah, that's it. This is my last BoxyCharm video. Well, I mean, maybe I'll, no, okay. I think I definitely have to buy a box once they collaborate and see, or like a couple of boxes. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna do that. I think it'll be cool to compare BoxyCharm and then BoxyCharm and Ipsy. Like, it's so, oh my gosh, it's crazy, but I get it. If you guys are interested in watching my past BoxyCharm videos, I will link a playlist down below. My first BoxyCharm I got in August of 2014. I had like bleach blonde hair then. I'll link that video down below. You guys can watch that. But yeah, that's it. I don't know what else to say. I love you, BoxyCharm. It's been a good run. But I am excited. I mean, it is sad, obviously, but I am excited to see what's to come, and I will keep you guys updated. All right, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.